there's life after this.
Holding me down, I wasn't ready to receive all the things God had in store for me. But now I'm ready for the next level, ready to be a better example, ready to walk in my faith, ready to live and please my Savior.
We need to heal. We need to focus on forgiveness.
Yes.
You know,
that's key. And not even just forgiving the person that may have done you wrong, but also forgiving yourself.
So ready, I'm ready for whatever He has for me. Been down long enough, gone without long enough. Live life as an
pain. Like, I know pain. I know that emotion, and I want to come and reach all of you that are going through, that feel like they can't go on, that feel like you don't want to continue on just with life alone. And there is life after this. You know, there's life after the place that you're in, and you can make it, and you will survive.
You know what? Pain is a universal language. It doesn't matter what color you are. It doesn't matter your gender. It doesn't matter your age. It's a universe. Everyone experiences pain in their life. So this is something not just for someone young or old, or someone of a particular race. This is for everyone.
Yeah.